What about polar covalent? Well, that one, I'm only going to use one example. Polar covalent means that somebody is holding or pulling onto the money a little bit more than the other person. So let's say one person makes money, but the other one spends it a lot more. So polar covalent is when you have an unequal sharing of electrons. And water is a really good example. Although you think that water is linear in nature, it is not. It is a bent molecule because they have what they call a lone pair of electrons. I just see a bunny ear with little hands. And what happens is oxygen is a little more electronegative and it pulls more tightly onto, or pulls the electrons more tightly towards itself. So there's a little polarity and movement with a net direction with that arrow. So polar covalent, best example is water. Nonpolar covalent, methane. Hydrogen bonds. This is the last one for this concept. Hydrogen bonds. I remember ET phone home. So what was it again? ET phone home. One more time. ET phone home. F, O, and N are three electronegatively. They have a strong electronegativity. So they actually like to pull onto electrons. The interaction with hydrogen is this. Let's say I have a water molecule, right? And it looks like this. Because oxygen pulls onto the electrons a little more tightly, it has a slight or a partial negative charge. And if that's partial negative, then these guys must be partial positive. So I'm just going to write positive